Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Let's start our tutorial and please subscribe my channel and let's start. So I will just click on a file and then I will click on open options and then I will click on sample superstore 2024. I will just double click and then here we have. So I will just double click on orders. So I just double click on orders, then I got the data. So here I got the data. I will just go to sheet. So here I have sample superstore data. So how to create a pie chart? First I will go to under marks. I will just click on pie. So after that I will go to Meyer's values. Where's Meyer's values? Just scroll down here. I have Meyer's values. I will just bring and hold it and then I will drag it into size and then go to entire view, and after that I drag Meyer's name into colors. Where's Meyer's names? Here I have Meyer's names. So I will just drag it into colors and just scroll down, and then here I have Meyer's values. I will just click on it and then I will click on show filters. So here we have filters of count of order, discount, profit, quantity, sales. So after that I drag Meyer's name into labels. Where is Meyer's names? Here we have Meyer's names. I will just drag it into labels. So I will just bring Meyer's name into labels. So here we have, and you can unselect and select what you want to choose Meyer's name. So I will just I will unselect discount and whatever you want. So here we have profit, quantity and sales. And thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are enjoying these insights, don't forget to check my Tableau tutorials on YouTube, and I have got a bunch of videos. And thank you so much for watching this video.